Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify fraud protection with Shopify Payments risk tools, full guide step by step clearly. To install Shopify fraud protection with Shopify Payments risk tools, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Next, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of the admin sidebar. In the settings menu, click on the Payments option. Scroll down to the section labeled Shopify Payments. If you have not already done so, enable Shopify Payments by clicking on the Activate Shopify Payments button. Once Shopify Payments is activated, look for the section titled Risk Tools. Click on the Manage button next to the Risk Tools heading. Here, you will see options for fraud protection settings. Review the available options carefully. Enable the Block Fraudulent Orders feature to automatically block orders identified as high risk. You can also enable the Fraud Analysis feature to receive notifications regarding potential fraud issues. Next, configure the settings according to your business's needs. Make sure to save your changes to apply the new settings. Return to the Payments page and review the information displayed. You will now see the fraud prevention tools integrated with your Shopify Payments. This setup enhances your store's protection against fraudulent transactions. Regularly monitor your dashboard for any flagged orders. Take appropriate action based on the risk assessments provided. Keep your fraud protection settings updated as you grow your business. By following these steps, you can effectively install and utilize Shopify fraud protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.